everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, you get lots of puppies, and you get a little bit of life in there. So please stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. If you're new, I'm Laura. The white pupper is Loki, the beagle is Dexter, and the Jack Russell behind me, which I don't know if you can see him, that is actually Willie, my son's dog. All right, so it is Sunday morning, Father's Day, and it is raining. And so all the things I want to do outside are a no-go at the moment. It is 80 degrees, 76, I went down a little bit, and that's the high for today. I am dressed very, very comfortably today. I have on a tank that I got whenever I was in St. Thomas on my trip back in March. I have on a pair of Rag & Bone full-on shorts that look like denim. They're just like a fun full-on comfy, and I don't even have shoes on today. So that's my outfit. I am traveling again this week, so I do have to prep for that. Luckily, not as many days, so I need to start thinking about that, but I think that's going to be a game time decision. And I did have a video here I wanted to get filmed for you, so hopefully I can get to that. Otherwise, hope your week starts off amazing. Happy Father's Day to everybody, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday already and time for outfit of the day. Decided to have a quiet day. The puppers are in their crates, they're quiet. I'm feeling peaceful right now. So we're gonna do, I decided to leave them there and we'll have a quiet day. So let's see, my Wantable summer social box posted today, and it was such a good one. You guys all really agreed. I think in the end, just due to some sizing and issues. So for instance, that ribbed tank top by Z Supply in the white with the tan stitching, it had a pull, and I couldn't fix it just by the nature of how that stitching is done. So I ended up having to send that one back. I ended up keeping the Dear John jeans, the cute little t-shirt, loved that, loved it paired back to the Ichi blazer. Yes, I love that. I did keep the black tank because it was in good shape. I was a little worried about that stitching, but I thought this was so cute that I kept it. I kept the hidden denim, I cuffed it. Remember I shared it with the cuff, so I kept those. And I think that's my 5 items. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yes, that's all 5 of my items that I kept. So at least I got to the discounts. I didn't keep the black dress. I thought it was super pretty, but I kept thinking I already have enough similar like dresses. And I didn't keep the tank, I already told you about. Didn't keep the first date sweatshirt. I thought it was super cute, but I have some other sweatshirts I've kept lately. And then I didn't keep those jean shorts. I thought they were okay, but I thought I owned similar of those as well. All right, so that is my keepers. And for my outfit today on this cloudy, rainy day, 72 degrees, getting up to 75. The clouds are consistent. The sun hasn't really come out at all yet today. It rained this morning, and now it's just hazy. But it is supposed to be raining for like the next so many days. Saturday last week, I did get a really nice window. My friend came over. We had a couple rain delays in the pool, so we had to get out. But for the most part, we were in all afternoon. And then Sunday was it rained a little bit more. Today, hazy, not a great pool day. So I heard on the news that we are having a rain streak on the weekend that is longer than we've had in 77 years. So my entire life so far, this is the most rain that we've had. It's beautiful on during the week days, and then when the weekend comes, rain and crap and storms. So this is, yeah, hasn't been this bad in 77 years in PA. All right, my outfit today, I'm casual. I have on Free People denim shorts you've seen before. I love these with the tie belt. I have the Ever Eve top on, you might remember from one of my dressing room try-ons. Threw on Dolce Vita sandals. I love these. And my necklace is my sign. So this is Virgo. I'm a Virgo. And then I just have on gold hoops, and a bracelet stack. And that is my outfit today. All right, I got to get back to work. Hope you're doing amazing. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday. Time for outfit of the day. It is 10 till 5 in the morning. I'm up, ready to go. I'm by myself because I'm trying to get out, so I had to leave the puppers with my husband so they don't try to chase me out the door. And let's see, it's going to be nice today. It's 66 right now. It felt really nice when I let the dogs out. It's going up to 78 degrees. I think this cloudy rain, no rain kind of streak is going to continue for a little bit. And I have to go straight into an all-day meeting, so I chose a dressier outfit. I have on my White House Black Market tank and matching skirt. I shared that in my latest White House Black Market haul. I did buy, when I had my next sale opportunity come up, I bought the matching blazer and I grabbed a scoop neck tee as well. So I have multiple ways to wear this. So love this blazer with it. And then I put on, of course, Dolce Vita sandals like these with a little bit of a heel and all the strappies. It also has that little gold bar on it. And for jewelry, I have on a Gorjana necklace, my bracelet stack, gold hoops, and that'll be it. I'm ready to go. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday and time for outfit of the day. It was raining this morning, it looks like, but it's 68 degrees, going to get up to 82 today. And let's see, my loft haul post today. Please go check that one out. Fun summer pieces, new arrivals, dresses, all the fun things. For outfit of the day today, I have on a Trendsend outfit. So I have on jeans from 7 for All Mankind, a top by Ever Eve, and a jacket by Splendid, all of which came from a Trendsend box. Then for shoes, how about these fun Dolce Vitas? Matches, right? How cute. Got these on a Stitch Fix. And then the only thing I changed for jewelry is my necklace. Put on my Louis necklace for today. Otherwise, the hoops, bracelet stack, everything else is exactly the same. All right. I think I'm off. I'll be excited to get home tonight. And I'm trying to be off Thursday, Friday. So fingers crossed. I think I'm just going to sleep. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday. Time for outfit of the day. It's a windy day, 71 degrees out, getting up to 78. The rain is supposed to come later this afternoon. I was outside for a bit. The dogs just had a puppy session, a training, so it's very windy out, just very windy. And for outfit of the day today, super casual. I have on Pistola shorts from a Stitch Fix and a tank from Free People by, it's by Free People. I got it in a JB Stylebox. There we go. Let's get my head in the game here. I didn't put any jewelry on except for hoops because I'm going to try to get some, try some clothes on for you today, get myself organized. I feel like I've been gone for a really long time, but it's just been intermittent and I'm traveling again for a couple days next week. So just a super busy month. And for shoes, I put on these cute Dolce Vita slides. How cute are these with the gold? I also have a loft gold belt on. That's my outfit today. All right, the puppers have sticks. You can see Willie or Loki, no, Dexter. See, there's too many of them. Dexter working on his stick. The other two are behind me. They're very happy. They did well today. They were good boys. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. Bonus outfit. It's still Thursday. We are headed out to dinner now to take my dad out for Father's Day. I know a little bit late, but that's what he wanted. So we're going out to dinner tonight. It is pouring. Like the skies have opened and it is pouring outside, but still 73 degrees out. The low is only 61, so it should still be pretty nice. Just Willie's in here with me right now, which means the other two are loose and probably causing some sort of disaster. But for my outfit today, for this evening, my outfit number 2 for today, I chose my loft dress I just shared in my last loft haul, I believe. Yes, and a denim jacket from White House Black Market. You saw in my White House Black Market haul. Oh, here's Loki. And then I chose another pair of Dolce Vitas. This one is the wedge. Got these in a Trendsend, I think last year. And then for jewelry, I put on this Gorjana necklace. I have on my bracelet stack, and I think I'm ready to go. And I think that Loki wants to say hi. Don't you, bud? Groomer tomorrow. Tomorrow morning will be a busy day. Dex has to get a shot. He's got to go to the vet. All 3 puppers are going to see the groomer. It's going to be a busy day. Aren't you a good boy? Aren't you good? All right, we'll see you then. Hey everybody, it is Friday and time for outfit of the day. We've had a crazy busy this morning already. It's not quite noon yet, and let's see. Dexter got a shot, so he's exhausted. He's not making any noise, and he's right here. And then all of them got groomed. So Dexter and Willie got baths and their toenail trims, and Loki got a full groom. So they're all exhausted and tired out, but they look so cute. Don't they look so cute? Your little puppy trim, huh? Loki got the puppy trim. Looks so cute. Look how cute. Oh, he's just... They all look adorable and smell good. And now I'm going to probably take them outside for a little bit, and it'll be short-lived. And they'll probably be in the pool this weekend, so yeah. But they look really cute right now. I'm going to try to get a picture. For my Friday Funny today, I'm going to share a video of Willie primarily. I think Dexter does get in there, but Willie primarily having fun with the hose. So we've gotten so much rain in the last couple weeks, and we had to drain the pool a bit. And we found that Willie loves the hose water, loves it. So it was coming out, he was chasing it. So enjoy the video clip here. He had so much fun with it. I heard earlier in the day Loki had also been involved, but I didn't catch a video of that. I only caught Willie later. So the things you're going to learn, I love seeing all their personalities start to come out. So super cute. And for my outfit today, I have on an Armoire outfit, so a Michael Stars dress. I'm really liking this one. I might have to keep it in this because it's in such a perfect color that I love, like Caribbean blue, right? I'll call it. And then I just paired it with a simple sandal, a flat. This one I got in a Trendsend a long time ago by Dolce Vita. And then I didn't put jewelry on other than hoops. That was it today. So that's my Friday outfit. All right, guys, I will see you tomorrow with one more. Hey, everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. It's a beautiful day already, 73, getting up to 85. The sun is going to shine. It's going to be a gorgeous day. And today my Stitch Fix posted, and it was such a good one. I'm loving that they send more than 5 pieces, so you can get to 5 to get to the 25 a little easier. And I did keep 5. Hey, guys. Hey, guys. I kept both the light denim and the yellow denim by Pistola. I thought they were both adorable, and I really liked them. I did keep both the 9 Britain dress and the Gilly dress, which I thought were just nice, easy, when I'm in a rush, throw them on, get to work. And then I kept the pink tank. So I did not keep the cardigan by Free People, the heel, and the puff sleeve top. What are you doing, wild man? So those are my keepers from that. I know that sometimes I've had some comments, people are a little frustrated about the puppies and the dogs, and they should be trained, etc. They're 5 months old. We are training them. I don't know that I've been able to see a pupper that was trained at 5 months old, but hey, if you know somebody who's done that, send them my way. I would love it. But he's only 4 months old, so the other 2 are 5 months old. They're not going to be trained. So if you need to leave my channel for a few months because of the puppy pandemonium, I totally get it. I would say they're probably going to need to be at least a year old before they're truly calm, like Wyatt and Xena were. And even then, they would get rowdy sometimes. So probably have another 6 to 7 months Dexter just fell off the couch before the true craziness stops. I try to control it as much as I possibly can, but I'm also not going to shut them out and make them sit in crates, because I get very little time with them as it is between work and travel, so I do like to include them in my videos. So just a little bit of context as to why you may be seeing some of this. And I'm really sorry if it's, you know, annoying, frustrating. I get it. I will try to keep them as calm as possible. And for my outfit today, I am super casual. I think I'm going to, well, I know I'm going to breakfast with a friend, and then we're going to just hit the pool today, hoping to get a nice, calm, relaxing day. I will say there's an air show going on near me, so there's going to be some noise from that, but it should be a good day. So I chose something super easy. I have on a dress from Z Supply that I got in a Wantable. And then I paired it with this awesome cardigan that I picked up myself from the Z Supply site. I'm loving the contrast stitching with this. But just in case for inside the restaurant when it's cool, I threw that on top. Keep in mind that if you love a thing from one of the boxes, but either your size is not available or you want to get the matching thing on the Z Supply site, use my link down below. You'll get money towards your first purchase. So I do actually shop their site whenever I find something that I really liked and maybe couldn't kept. Like the last Stitch Fix box had that cute little white tank with the whip stitching around the collar, around the neckline, as well as the sleeve, and I just purchased it from there since the one I got was defective. So lots of ways in which you can shop and get the amazing Z Supply pieces. And for shoes, I put on a flat today. We're by Dolce Vita. Love these. And I have on a necklace that my friend got me. She's the one I'm having breakfast with. Bracelet stack from Trendsend. My hoops from yesterday. I think I'm set to go. And that is a wrap on Outfit of the Day this week. So I'll list all my items down below in case you would like to check any of them out for yourself. If I can link to an item, I definitely will. Many come from boxes, so of course I'll let you know which boxes. Can't wait to hear which one was your favorite this week. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.